Well, after mowing the grass, we have a cleanup crew going on. He found out that it's easier to pull than to push. Just push it. You gotta push it. Yeah. There you go. Good job. You're doing it. You want the shovel now? Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
You want me to hold the shovel? You want to scoop it into my... Okay, I'll scoop it.
Hey, Michael.
Okay, go dump it in the trash. Good job.
Good job. You did it.
All right, we're done. Let's go put it away.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa. Hi, Nana and Poppy.
Right there.
Say hi, Poppy.
Say, look up there. Say,
Hi, Bobby.
Hi, Poppy.
hey, we love you. Mwah. Can you give Mommy a kiss? Come on, give a kiss. Ah, that's better.
My fingers, Daddy.
You got your fingers, Daddy.
I got fingers.